Don't complain about the pain. Don't say, why me? Say, try me. Don't complain about the pain. Don't say, why me? Say, try me. Life isn't meant to be easy. It's meant to break you and then remake you. This video isn't for the weak. It's for the ones who are done running. Let's begin. The lie of comfort. They told you to chase comfort. That happiness was found in ease. That rest was the goal. But here's the truth. Comfort is the enemy. The comfort zone is a beautiful prison. Silent, warm, deadly. You're not depressed, you're underused. You're not lazy, you're unchallenged. Your brain is starving, not for pleasure, but for progress. Pain is not the enemy. It's the compass. It tells you where to grow. It tells you what to fight for. Why me? Versus try me. There are two types of people. The ones who cry out, why me? And the ones who rise and whisper, try me. Why me people shrink. They play victim to their own story. But the try me people, they take pain like a blueprint. They use suffering as fuel. They don't wait for permission. They break the damn door down. They don't complain about the fire. They walk through it and come out as warriors. Which one are you? The mind trap. Your mind is the battlefield. And the real enemy is the voice in your head. The one that tells you to sleep in, to quit early, to give up. That voice, it's lying. It's the same voice that said, you're not good enough. You'll never change. It's too late. But here's a dark truth. You can change. You're just afraid to. Afraid to fail. Afraid to lose. Afraid to be alone. But what's scarier? Living a life where you never even tried? Turn pain into power. Pain is the most honest teacher you'll ever meet. It shows you what matters. It humbles you. It sharpens you. Use it. Don't numb it. Don't avoid it. Don't hide behind distractions and dopamine. Sit in the pain. Let it mold you. Your greatest strength is hiding behind your darkest struggle. The warrior is forged in battle, not in comfort. You want to be unstoppable? Then stop expecting it to be easy. The disciplined shift. Motivation fades. Emotion fades. But discipline, that's forever. Start showing up when you don't feel like it. Start saying no to the easy path. While others chase likes, you chase purpose. While they scroll mindlessly, you build ruthlessly. Every rep in the gym, every word written, every lonely night of sacrifice, all of it compounds, all of it stacks. One day you'll look back and realize your pain built the life they said you could never have. So stop asking why life is hard. Start asking, what is this moment trying to teach me? When life hits you, don't break. Don't cry. Just say, try me. Because you're not weak. You're not soft. You're dangerous. You just haven't been activated yet. So rise. Walk into the pain. Walk into the fire. And come out as the version of you that was always buried, waiting to be awakened. No more why me. Only try me.